Okay, let's go now and start. Here's a warm-up activity for you. Look, guess, and say. Let's show the clue. Hmm.
Yummy!
Very good. Next.
Cake!
A hat. A party hat.
It's a pretty...
A candle. 7 years old. What do you think is the answer?
Cake?
Cake? Are you sure? A cake? Sure? Let's open.
Cake?
High five! It's a cake. Very good. A birthday cake. It's a birthday cake. Do you like cakes? You like cake? I love cakes. Good. Okay. Let's do the phonics review now. We have here
Blue, black, brown, red.
Oh, okay. First we have
Bl, black.
Yes. Example, we got blue. Blue. Okay, let's look for something blue. I have a lot of blue. Look, it looks like a flower. Look, I have a blue flower.
Black.
Look here. It looks like a flower. A blue one. Here, I have blue.
Black.
Oh, black. Blue first, blue. Look for blue. Blue. I can't see any blue now. Here's blue. Oh, very good. Okay, next. Black. Let's go find black. Here, I got black. Yes, that's black. Oh, here. Black. Oh. This. Black. Pen. Black pen. Yes, very good. Okay, next one. And what about the sound
Brown.
brown? I'll go find some brown.
Brown.
Let me look for brown. I don't have any brown here aside from my table. I cannot show it to you. Oh, you have brown notebook. Oh, look, I have something brown. Look here. It's the bread. Brown bread. Oh, there. I see a brown pillow here. Yeah, I have a brown pillow. Ta-da! So big. The brown pillow. Okay. Bye, pillow. And the skin. Look. Brown. Oh, the wall.
Is that the door? Door is brown.
The door. Yes. Wow. Okay. Thank you so much.
And
Next. Oh, yeah. Your bed. What about this?
red.
Do you have some bread? You have some bread there? No, me too. I don't have any bread here. But that's it. We got blue.
Blue. Black. It's not blue.
Brown? Red.
Brown, red.
Okay, that's all. Let's go to our next activity. Drag and say. Ready?
Go.
Can you please read the words? Read. Blood.
Bleak. Blot.
Brad.
Bread.
Grass. Green.
Green.
Okay, those are another examples of words that has bl, and br. Sounds in them, right? Okay, let's look and say each word or sentence as quick as you can as we swim away from the bad shark. Okay, let's go.
Okay. Brother.
Say, it's a brother, it's Blair.
Brother.
Blair.
Blair.
We didn't make it. Let's try again. Say it properly. Say Bruce. Again, Bruce.
Bread.
Listen. Bruce. Okay? Ready? Go.
Bruce.
Yay! See? We made it.
Brush.
Next. What's this?
Bread.
Bread. Good. Bread.
Bread.
Wow! Bread is correct. Next one.
What's
Here. What's this? Wait. What's happening? Oh no! Wait a minute. Let's do it again. Say, can you hear me? Blair eats bread.
eats bread.
Blair eats bread.
Eats bread.
Good.
Blair
Go.
eats bread. Blair eats bread. Blair eats bread. Blair eats bread. Blair eats bread.
Yay! Oh, that was tough. We almost got bitten by the shark. Next one. Blair and Bruce
and Bruce
like eating bread.
eating
Bread.
bread. Blair and the bread like Ethan's brother.
Bread.
Bread.
Blair and
Blair
Bruce
and Bruce like
like eating bread.
bread.
Yay! Hey, almost, but we got in. Good job, Sissy. Okay, that is it. Let's go and have our word review now. Can you remember these words? First is
Pretty, yeah.
pretty or birthday.
Pretty.
Happy birthday to you. Birthday. Next.
Happy birthday to you.
How old are you? Year. Always.
Always.
Summer. Summer. Hike. What are you writing?
Okay.
Okay, summer. Summer.
Summer. Hike.
Picnic. Very good. All right. Again, birthday, year, always, summer, hike, picnic. Now let's have. Okay, it's against you and teacher. You have to be quick so that you will win against me. Okay? Ready? You have to be fast.
Happy birthday.
Birthday. Good. You didn't. You almost didn't. Year.
I am.
Always. You've written the words. Clever. Next. Summer. Yes. Next. Next. Hike. That's right. When you go up the mountain, hike. Next. Picnic. Yay. Good job. Ding, 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 ding. There's no song. Hi, pen. Okay, that's it. Let's move on and talk more. I am Sam, and you are Cindy. Okay?
Okay. Good.
I'm gonna put Sam for teacher, and you are Cindy.
Okay. Good. Mary, Sam, how are you, Dad?
How are you today?
How are you today?
I am very happy. It's summer and my birthday is coming. Whose birthday is coming? Whose birthday is coming? It's Sam. Sam's birthday is coming. Yay. Next. Read. You're Cindy. When?
Where is your birthday, Sam?
My birthday is on July 12th. I will be 7 years old.
Teacher is...
Yes. Yeah. I'm doing that.
What? What's the you do on your birthday?
I always have a picnic.